In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Spotify hours listened in 2025 in just 5 minutes. If you've ever been curious about how much time you spend grooving to your favorite tunes on Spotify, you're in the right place. Whether you use Spotify on your phone or desktop, the process is simple, but there are a few key differences to be aware of. So, let's dive into it. First off, it's important to understand that the steps to check your listening hours may differ slightly depending on whether you're using the Spotify app on your phone or your desktop. So whichever device you choose, just make sure you're using the official Spotify app to ensure access to all the features. Now, let's get started. Go ahead and open your Spotify app. Once it's up and running, you're going to want to navigate to the bottom right corner of your screen where you'll find the Q icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Click on that icon, and it will take you to a new panel. Here, you'll be presented with an option at the top of the panel called Recently Played. Selecting this will allow you to see a list of the last 50 tracks you've listened to on that particular device. While this gives you a quick browse through your recent listening history, we're aiming for a more comprehensive view of your yearly statistics. For a deeper dive into your listening habits over the year, use the search function within the Spotify app. You're going to want to search for Wrapped. Spotify Wrapped is a feature they release yearly, summarizing your top songs, artists, and podcasts, along with other exciting statistics about what you've been tuning into throughout the year. Once you access your Spotify Wrapped playlist, take note of the special features included. Typically, the playlist will contain a card explicitly showing your total listening time in minutes for the year. This information is a great way to reflect on your music journey over the past 12 months, and perhaps inspire some new listening goals for the coming year. And there you have it. You've now learned how to check how many hours, or more accurately, how many minutes, you've spent listening to music on Spotify this year. What makes Spotify Wrapped such a fun feature is not just the sheer number of minutes calculated, but also the nostalgic insight it provides into your musical moments and milestones. So, take a moment to explore your Wrapped, share it with friends, and maybe even find some new favorite tracks or artists to enjoy. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful guides. Happy listening!